Freyja. Hi, Freyja. Okay, today I want to talk about how to get your cat to stop scratching on the furniture or on your carpet. I had the problem of Freyja. She was always scratching on the carpet. And I found that basically the only thing that you can do with a cat is find something that she likes better. And so at first I had a scratching pole that was vertical and big, but I ended up giving that away because she'd hardly used it. She just wasn't interested in it. I mean, she would rub her body against it. She wasn't interested in it at all. And then I got her a small scratching post, and it had like a little ball thing on it so you could play with it. But yeah, she wasn't interested in that. Well, she actually loved that, but for the ball. So she would play with the ball, but she wasn't interested in scratching it. This is the small scratching post that I got her. It has this ball on it with the bell, and that's what she liked. And so she did scratch here, but she wasn't interested in this. Look at the pristine condition that it's in. Because this is 4 years old, and yeah, she's only been scratching here, never here. I still keep this around because sometimes she just likes to play with this. This is the scratching post that she likes. In fact, she loves it, and I just put it where she was scratching on the carpet. Basically, at first I put it under the table. That's where she loved to scratch. I guess people who have the cats know that cats need to scratch, they have to scratch, they love to scratch, it makes them happy, they get some exercise from it, they feel good doing it. So cats need to scratch. You can't really get them to stop scratching something unless you do find something a lot better that they like better. And I know my Freyja, I'm not a cat expert, okay, but I'm a Freyja expert, and I know my Freyja, and she loves paper. I have a whole video explaining how much she just loves paper, and she loves to eat paper and everything. What ended up happening is that Enrico's father, my father-in-law, had got a Maine Coon cat, and he bought for him this scratching post, but he wasn't interested. Valentino the cat wasn't interested in it at all. Instead, he liked the big tall scratching post. So I thought, maybe Freyja will like that. I'll give that a try. So I got it from him. Freyja loved it from the get-go. As soon as I put it on her area where she used to scratch. And now I can put it anywhere, and she just loved it. She loved it. It smells like paper. What could be more heavenly, you know? So basically it already had her favorite scent. So that's about it. And this is quite an expensive carpet as well. So in the past, Freyja used to scratch and scratch all over here, and you see how you have all these things coming out. It wasn't like that before. This is what Freyja did. Valentino didn't like this and didn't use it, didn't sit on it, didn't do nothing. And it used to be like really, it was brand new, it was thicker. It used to be quite pretty, but look what Freyja did to it. So Valentino wasn't using it, and it's just cardboard. It cost like $5. And so he gave it to us, and Freyja immediately went there. She sat on it, she started scratching it, and started just nibbling on it, and she hasn't stopped. And it's a year after. This is what it looks like after a year. And she's completely stopped scratching the carpet, pulling on the carpet. That is done with. So okay, this one, you know, this is made of cardboard, and it has these pieces that just go everywhere, and Freyja's been destroying it. But I'll still maybe buy another one of this because it's cheap. And, you know, I vacuum a few times a week. I don't vacuum every single day. I don't have time to vacuum every day. But, so, okay, this is after like a few days, maybe 2 days. And there's paper all over the place. But I prefer that than her scratching all over the carpet. Come here. And she's not interested in this scratching post. And I can play with this scratching post by there's something under there. Can you get it? Freyja. I'm gonna give her a little treat for her trouble. Nope, just one. You ready to go? And go to bed, right? Ciao. Say bye. Bye. Good night.